Join the outdoor cooking revolution with the multifunctional Smoke and Go. That full-size grill is fine for the patio, but it takes a team just to move it. With the revolutionary Smoke and Go, you can carry a full-size smoker and grill to places you love, like your favorite camping spot, your tailgate party, a special picnic spot, and poolside at your apartment too. The Smoke and Go is a full-size portable grill that doesn't skimp on features. 1mm stainless steel with welded seams and solid construction make the Smoke and Go tough. It has a level for grilling and a level for smoking. Control the temperature with top and bottom airflow vents. Full-time RV living inspired the Smoke and Go to fit into small spaces and to perform as well as a full-size backyard grill. It stores on a shelf. It fits into any RV compartment. You can smoke meat like the pros. It can hold low and slow cooking temperatures for genuine wood smoke flavor that experts demand. Inspire your team with Hall of Fame barbecue. No more propane. Real meat, real smoke, and real men make a winning combo. Poolside at the apartment just got better. Say no to dirty, rusty grills and bring your Smoke and Go instead. No more wishing for a quality grill on those lazy days by the pool. It's easy to make family memories with the Smoke and Go because it goes where your family goes. Kids love grilled food on a fun day at the park. After you find that perfect RV camping spot, pull out the Smoke and Go. Now you're the king of smoking and the envy of the campground. Fireside is a special ending to any day at home or at the campsite. Stack on the logs and fire up the warm conversation to cap off the perfect day. Fire, food, and fun. The Smoke and Go is an outdoor revolution.